We, um, I'm going to be showing you a few tweaks and stuff I have for my iPhone. Hopefully this helps you out in case you were wondering, you know, what kind of new tweaks you should download or what tweaks are good, things like that. Well, one of them is display recorder, which I'm using right now, recording on my iPhone. I'm not using a computer to do this, and as you can see, it's not just a still image. I can actually page through my icons. Um, it's very, very handy since you can do it on your device by itself. So, one of the things I'm going to show you first is right here. I already have it typed up. It's called, let me delete this real quick. It's called iKiwi. It's spelled just like that, and if you search it in Cydia, you'll find it. And as you can see, on my top row is our numbers, and when it's shifted, it has symbols. Now these are customizable. You can go into settings. Where is it at? There it is. iKiwi. Customizing keys. Those are the ones at the top without shifted and alternate. And you can make those whatever you want in your respring. You also may have noticed my keyboard. It was a different theme, and I am on 5.1 iOS. And the only keyboard themer that I know that works on it is, I'm not saying the only keyboard themer that works on it, I'm just saying the ones that I know is this one, Color Keyboard. And there's all kinds of themes. I don't know how to download new themes, but you see this is the one I'm using right now with the 5-row. So it is compatible with 5 rows, just so you know. All kinds of different colors. Turquoise black. This one I really like, just because that's my favorite color. Cyan, turquoise, teal, that whole blue-green spectrum is my favorite. And you can customize pop-up key, which is when you type and you click a key, that little thing that pops up that shows you what key you're typing because your finger is covering it, that's what that is. And you can customize the color of that. You can put a background on it, anything you want. And so yeah, that's Color Keyboard. Then as you can see my springboard, I have 5 icons going left to right and then 5 icons going up and down. Also, you see this cover flow effect on my dock. Well, all this is done by something called Springtomize, and it's an amazing tweak. You'll love it. You can customize almost anything on your phone. The gamma. See, you can see it changing. Anything you want. Lock screen, display seconds, always charging, always show wallpaper. And then what that is like, you know, when you plug in your iPhone to charge, your wallpaper goes away. Well, with this, your wallpaper will still be showing, but the battery will be on top of it. Also, you can see my Nyan Cat sliders. You can get that. Custom sliders, strings. You can customize your icons, resize them, which I have done, and just all kinds of stuff. I highly suggest checking it out. Also, you can see how I have this window. That's just with grid lock. You can place your icons anywhere you want them. Let me cancel out some of these. So, what else? Widgets. You can get something called Dashboard X. It's over here, right there. And with Dashboard X, you can install widgets on your Springboard, which is really cool. I only use Dash Tweet and the weather one. There's also a music one that I really like that I haven't installed again because I had to restore my phone. Now, what else can I show you? Winterboard, that's if you got a jailbroken iDevice and you don't have Winterboard, well, that's kind of weird. It's out of the ordinary. A lot of this stuff is really just background. Like you don't see it there, but I can activate it like this. Watch. Now you can see through my phone. You can see my Xbox. You know. That's camera wallpaper. Then we have this is iWhiteboard, I think it's called, and you can draw. You can also see my Rainbow Dash icon up there. Now what that is something cool. It's called Zeppelin, and you don't even have to respring to use it. You just go to settings once you install it, and there's all kinds of Zeppelin add-ons. There's just hundreds that you can download. And what it does is basically replace your carrier logo. You know, Android, Aperture, Apple, Applejack, Autobots, there's all kinds. Dark Knight, Nightmare Moon. I have mine as Rainbow Dash because that's my favorite pony. And yes, I am a brony. See neon sliders. That's what you would search for to get that. Kill background. It's very simple, but you know how if you have a crap ton of apps open, well, see that little in the bottom right, I'm not going to click it because I don't want to turn off display recorder. It has a little skull and crossbones. That'll cancel out everything. It's very useful instead of going and selecting each individual one. So that's just a few of my tweaks. I might make more videos showing you. And yes, I can page through endlessly. I can't remember what that was called. But, yep, hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. And maybe you can test some of these tweaks out for yourself. So, yeah, I'll see you later.